What's up guys, I am come with a brand new video about the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra apparently faces several performance issues. If Samsung's latest flagship played with the fatal flaw sounds familiar, it's because it is. And unfortunately, the still recent Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is no exception. The Exynos 990 chip that powers the S20 Ultra seems to be causing overheating and performance issues as per several consumer complaints. The Koreans in-house developed Exynos chips are famously known for suffering from performance glitches. Samsung's latest model Galaxy S20 Ultra starts at an eye-watering price of the $1,400 and it's unexpectedly or expectedly, if you consider Samsung's previous slip-ups, fails to autofocus when shooting videos, heats up and generally offers poor performance. With April security patch, I got this new DJ feature on my Galaxy S20 Ultra. Such a crappy camera, really disappointed from this phone. If I knew update won't make a major difference, I would have returned it on the first week. Fuck you Samsung for wasting my $1,400, never Samsung. In a tweet, the user Pegasai demonstrates the aforementioned video autofocus issue on the Samsung new model where the camera gets stuck in a loop trying to bring the subject into the focus and the build heats up even when the phone is doing the most basic of the tasks. Note that the Korean edition of the Galaxy S20 Ultra runs on a Snapdragon 865 platform and compared to the global variant, its performance is far superior and it does not run into the disappointing overheating issue. Samsung is considering using the underskin camera technology on the Galaxy S21 first and is evaluating the feasibility of the technology. Samsung has yet to address the issue, but the famous phone leaked Universal's report that the Korean tech company is planning on following up the Exynos 990 chip and its 7nm wafer with an Exynos 1000 series SoC that has a novel 5nm manufacturing process baked into it. He further revealed that the chipset will power next year's Galaxy S21 that will allegedly experiment with an under-the-display camera. Is there any telling that this new SoC will be more stable than its predecessors? Ons can only hope. And meanwhile, Samsung is asking its customer to pay $1,400 for a device that seemingly does not deliver on the excellent performance it promises. Before go to the next video, please click on the like button and also click on the subscribe button for the latest upcoming videos.